Hi, I'm Dee and welcome to my channel Dee Lovely Life, where there's a variety in life in positive ways. Today I want to share with you a special recipe from a very special person in my life. It's my mom, Queen G, and it's her lasagna. It's something that my mother had always made during the holiday season.
I'm starting out by browning my ground beef. It's about 1.5 to 2 pounds, and getting my pot of water for my pasta to a boil. My video is part of a collaboration, what my granny always made during the holidays, except for it's my mom. This collab was created and hosted by Midlife and Nailing It, my fellow hosts participating, who are Missouri-grown Carolina Home, Taylor Elmore, Andrea Shaenanigans, Brooke Niccole, Momma Friendly. There will be a link below to their channels. My mom, Jenny, was raised back on the Navajo reservation. She attended to the sheep, slept in a hogan, and went to boarding school. On the Relocate program, she moved to San Francisco Bay Area, where she raised 2 daughters, put herself through school, and became the person who she had always dreamed of being one day. Someone who would always make you smile, feel loved and special. 2014, she suffered a massive stroke, and that's when I became her full-time caregiver. She moved in with us, and she still makes us laugh and appreciate every single blessed day that we have with each other, especially during the holidays. My mom's recipe calls for a can of tomato sauce, diced tomato, and a can of tomato paste, which she likes to add water, filling the empty tomato paste can to the sauce. She then adds about 1/2 tablespoon of granulated garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of minced onion, and about a tablespoon of Italian seasoning. As a little something a little extra, she always added about a tablespoon or so of wine. It could be red wine, white wine. She says it gives it such a boost of flavor, and she usually just uses any kind of wine that she has on hand. Our relatives and friends always looked forward to my mom's lasagna. She made it every single Christmas Eve since I can remember as a kid. It became a tradition in our home right before Mass. I cooked about 8 to 9 lasagna noodle pieces and laid them down on a greased dish after cooking the sauce for about 30 minutes on simmer. I grew up in the 70s and 80s era, with those huge big lights on the tree or those bubbly ones they used to have. My mom would go all out for Christmas, holiday music playing, a dur flame in the fireplace, and lots of laughter. She threw Christmas Eve dinner parties like every year. It was so much fun. She always had her special touch during the holidays that made it so memorable. My mom would invite our relatives, family friends, whoever she felt like feeding, it seemed. They couldn't wait for her lasagna, and honestly, between you and I always hoped there were some leftovers. I'm still that way today. It's a process to cook, but so worth the wait. We knew the effort and love that she put in it. Now she has passed her popular lasagna recipe down to the next generation to carry on, including you. Here's the thing. She adds about 4 boiled eggs. Yep, you heard me. Boiled eggs that she slices up with her little slicer. She carefully places them evenly, considering each piece of lasagna for that person taking that bite. Back in the day, my mom would grate all her cheeses that she would use, like the cheddar, Parmesan, and Mozzarella. But today, I use the packets of shredded cheese, like the Mozzarella packages, 3 Italian cheeses, Parmesan, and sometimes cheddar mix. Use whatever cheeses you prefer. I had more than enough of the lasagna pasta, so I stacked them up on the second layer. Of course, though, I'm sure my mom would have used all of her additional pieces towards like the first layer when we first started. But with lasagna, you can never fail. Like, who's going to actually see it, right? Then just repeat as the first layer, making 2 layers the same exact way.
for any program public television does is worth having, believe me. So we
happy. Well,
people will think about
fixing our favorite dish.
Well, and if
Yeah.
you do that, well, guess what? You can share with somebody else. Now,
How long have you been making this dish, Mom?
Long time ago.
A long time ago. Make sure you come over here on your left. You thought you're gonna have one big old pile of cheese. There you go. It's like sprinkle, sprinkle. We like cheese. Huh.
Yes. Cheese is good for you.
Good thing I got the part skim.
Did you grate it or you just got a bag?
Oh, I just got a bag.
Too much work, huh?
Yeah.
I used to get provolone and grate it myself.
Oh, yeah? Great.
At that time, they didn't have bag cheese
Yeah.
where it was grated already.
The second layer, or the last layer, is I start with placing the slices of eggs directly on top of the noodle this time, then cheese, and then the sauce. I am so glad I learned this recipe from my mom before her stroke. It makes it super special though when I have my mom partake in helping me making her own lasagna, still to this day, of course with my help. But I always thank her for all the lasagnas I make because it's really her dish. Matter of fact, I'll be making this on Christmas Eve this year again in her honor, and she's so looking forward to that. And of course, she will be helping me again.
You're doing great. It smells good. I can't wait to get into this.
Making sure that all lasagna noodles are covered to not burn while baking in the oven. And lastly, we're going to top it off with some more cheese.
Everyone's saying it smells good. Mom did a good job. I just sprinkled some cheese on there and now this is going to go in the oven.
350 degree preheated oven. You will cover with foil the first 45 minutes and then uncover it for the last 15 minutes. Take it out and let it cool for about an hour before serving. It smells amazing. This is what my mother always made during the holiday season. What did yours always make during the holidays? Let me know in the comments down below because I need some ideas.
So there you have it. That is her famous lasagna dish. I hope you enjoyed it. If you try it out, let me know in the comments down below. Make sure you check out the playlist that is in the description box below. Check out the other participants and their videos. And as always, make sure you take care of yourself and I will see you on the next one. Happy holidays!